Okay girls, I'm here at the PG zone and I'm really happy with my haircut. Thanks to Audrey, you've given me a change that I really needed. Thank you so much, Audrey.
You're welcome.
And girls, I asked you if you had certain questions for Audrey and I just wanted to get them answered right now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so Farhana has a question. She says, how to get rid of damaged, dry and dandruff hair?
Okay, so when you generally say about dry, damaged kind of hair or dandruff hair, it's all related to your hair type and it's related to your scalp type. For those kind of people who say that I have dry and damaged hair, it can be a lot of problems. Like it can be because of ironing, because you blow dry a lot, because of straightening. Sometimes you go to the salon pretty often to do your hair.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't put a product while using an iron or a blow dry at home and end up burning some strands of your hair. So for those kind of people, we have a fabulous range in PG. It's called Urban Antidotes. Now if you see, we have a level 1, level 2 and a level 3. Yeah, so a lot of people know about it. Urban Antidotes simply means like a medicine to your hair.
So Audrey, Farhana has another question as well. She says, please suggest me products to get beautiful hair. I want undamaged hair, no splits, no dandruff and no dryness.
Since she says that she wants beautiful looking hair, every woman wants beautiful looking hair. As I said about the shampoo conditioners, you can use a brilliant shampoo conditioner as per your scalp and hair type. Something for split end, we have something called Ego Boost, a TG Ego Boost product, which works amazingly well for split end.
Okay, the next question is from Avishita. She says, my hair is turning white as I was coloring it, but now I want some natural remedy to turn it to my original shade, and she's 29 years old.
Okay, for her kind of question, honestly, I did not have a remedy that you can really work out at home. Because when people say you can add lime, you can add yogurt, you can add everything possible, it doesn't really affect your cuticle level. Yeah, when your hair has to remain white, it will remain white.
The next question is from Nandini. She says that she would want to know any simple hairstyles that she can do every day. And she has quite thin hair. So any technique or product to add some volume?
So Nandini, if you want to really style your hair on an everyday basis, the best thing what you could do to your hair is shampoo condition, apply a smoothing product and just dry naturally. Second thing what you can do is braids. Yeah, there are a lot of braids in the market, of course, that you can learn from everywhere. It can be a fish braid, it can be a rope braid, whatever braid you want to do. If you simply braid the front portion and leave the back really simple, it would look fab. Volume can be created a lot of ways by product. In TG, we have something called Small Talk, which is my absolute favorite.
Anika says she wants long hair, but her growth is stagnant.
Now, growth can be because of a lot of reasons. Because it can be because of your not proper eating habits. Can be because you're taking a lot of medicines. Yeah. Also can be if you're not using the right shampoo and conditioner. Yeah. So my answer to this would be, if you could trim your hair every 2 months or every 3 months, like a good amount of trim. Yeah. At the same time, when you're using a shampoo conditioner very often, like maybe you've used a shampoo conditioner for 3 months and you feel that the conditioner is not doing anything good, switch on to another product because it's already done its needful.
I have one final question from Divya. She says she needs a homemade solution for her hair to be straight and smooth, or some spray that you can recommend.
Okay, so for Divya, if you really have this query about like the hairspray, which hairspray should I use? In TG S Factor, we have something called Vivacious Hairspray, which is an amazing hairspray. When you spray it onto your hair, it doesn't make your hair really stiff. Yeah, it gives you amazing shine. Plus, the hold factor is quite medium.
Okay, so after watching this video, I'm sure you girls must be wondering where to get these TG products from. So let's ask Audrey.
You can find them in only professional salons. So if you're really confused where to go and buy it, I think we have Hakim Alib, we have Chromacare, we have a lot of high-end salons which are using TG products like Juice. Yeah, we have Lakme salons, we have Lakme Absolute who keeps our products, TG products. So definitely go and check it out.
Okay, I've had a great session with Audrey and she's also answered all our questions. Thank you so much, Audrey, for your time. And for more of me, subscribe to For Passion on my own. Bye.